Watch me. Dragon off! Dragon off!
Hello everyone, how are you all, and welcome to a new video. So in this video I'm gonna show you guys my new gaming headset, which is Redragon H120 wired gaming headsets. I just wanted to show you guys these because they are very cool, and I bought Redragon headset because I love dragons, so so I hope that you guys gonna enjoy this video. If you guys have any questions related to these headphones, you can ask me in the comment section, and here is the unboxing, so enjoy. These headphones are very comfortable. They have nice foam padding on their ear space, and the sound quality is also very nice. You can hear the bass thumping in your ears. I bought these earphones for around 800 rupees, which is like very nice for the price point. So if you guys are looking for wired headset, I would highly recommend this one. I have tried it and I am still using it, and you guys can hear the mic quality of this headphone mic. This video is recorded from these headphones. Guys, I know I am uploading this video very late and I am really sorry for that. I will gonna try to upload continuously, and yeah, I hope that you guys understand. I hope that you guys like this video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and comment, and I will gonna see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and goodbye.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets.